Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete bulk comments in WordPress with just one click. Let's make your website clutter-free and super efficient. Ready? Let's dive in. First, we have to install a plugin like WP Bulk Delete. Go to Plugins greater than Add New and search for WP Bulk Delete. Install and activate it. Navigate to WP Bulk Delete in the dashboard menu. Select your filters, like deleting spam comments, comments by date, or comments from specific posts. Hit Delete Comments, and you're done. To reduce spam in the future, install an anti-spam plugin like Akismet or Anti-Spam B. Use CAPTCHA in your forms via plugins like reCAPTCHA by Google or Honeypot to block bots. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.